bold ginger with an extra kick of real ginger taste. New Canada Dry Bold Ginger, not your grandma's ginger ale.